Kings of Crunch Series 6, the 1972 Chevrolet K10 AM/PM rocket. Please hit the pause button to read the other trucks in this series. Here are the other two trucks in the Kings of Crunch series that the owner had of the monster trucks was the Gulf Oil Super Special and the AM/PM Boss. Here comes the AM/PM rocket. Seeing a nice view of the front of the truck. Comes with a little wrench in the front bumper area, Chevrolet grille and everything. Let's go ahead and check out the side of the truck, the graphics design of AM/PM rocket. The graphics are pretty neat. They did a little bit of blue around where the tire and wheel connects, kind of like the beadlock area. Saw the front. Here's the other side of the monster truck, and then the back on the tailgate. That blue roll bar, it looks nice on the truck as well. There is a name on the roll bar, and we also get lights up top on the roof of the monster truck. So that wraps up this unboxing and review of the AM/PM rocket. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and thank you for tuning in.